Hey, what's up, guys? Today in the shop we have a 2007 Hummer H3, and we're going to remove that bezel that goes around the radio and the climate control, and it's a real simple job. I'm going to show you how to do it. What you want to do is let's just turn our key ignition forward, but don't start the engine. All right, we're just going to turn it forward like that, only because we want to move this gear shifter out of the way. Now, be careful. The vehicle is not going to roll into anything, and if you're going to get underneath of it after this, I don't know why, but remember that you did move the gear shifter. Anyway, see your cigarette outlets here? Stick 2 fingers in there, push up, and pull towards you. Just like that. And it comes off. Voila. Very simple. Then you're going to have a bunch of connectors and stuff in the back. All of those pull out really simple. Really, none of them are the same connectors, I believe. I think you could just pull them all out, and you don't have to worry about where they go and stuff, because they're all kind of different on the way they adapt in there. So that's it, guys. Everything else behind there is pretty self-explanatory. You will have all of your bolts and screws now visible if you need to remove the stereo or need to remove the climate control. That pretty much opens everything up for you. All right, guys, please hit subscribe below. Give me a like, and I'll see you next time.